Welcome CNG 132 to week 3, the kickoff for week 3. Let's see, only one person said they didn't do the extra credit, and thank you for posting that. But if you, after reading chapter 2, really assess your surroundings and how easy it is to social engineer people, the way you dress, the way you act, are all perceived by people. One of the biggest things that I used to do was if you act like you belong there, usually people won't ask you for identification. They'll just assume that you're an IT worker working on something there and not ask you for credentials. Let's see, this week we dive into cryptography. Oh yeah, basic cryptography. We start to learn asymmetric, symmetric, PKI, the details about hash algorithms, if there is a better hash than another. Actually, I don't think we learned that there's a better one than another, but we learned that there's different types of hashing of ways. Part 2 is does a brief history on where cryptography came from, dating as far back as I think someone said ancient times, when wars would be happening and somebody didn't want the plans to be leaked. Therefore, the plan for the war would be encrypted somehow, letters shifted around so that it's more difficult to learn. Also was pointed out that, let's see, the news content is updated regularly, but not each day. That's just a keyword search that gets fired off. I don't know, I wouldn't say every day, but every few days, and those new articles are then added in. Feel free, you don't have to select all these, but feel free to actually Google search your own and see if you come up with a different type of answer. I don't have a preference on what you choose to write about, as long as you're writing about it. Let's see, next week we have a test. Make sure you are prepared for the test. It's going to cover chapters 1 through 4. It's going to be a 35-question quiz or test, also to be done in 35 minutes. With that short period of time, I understand that many of you may feel stressed about it, but please do not. If you look at our syllabus, there's a requirement for having Kaplan 180-day access for the SYO 501 test, Security Plus test. It's available at frontrange.edu at the Larimer Campus bookstore. I believe there's a video made out there, but also make another one fresh today. But with this, practicing for your real security CompTIA test and preparations for that, this also will help make up any sort of test grades that you bomb on or don't do well on. And if you look down here, tests are 25% of your grade. Having that Kaplan rehearsal software will boost those test grades to 100%, so that should be a free 25% of your grade just by doing the tests and Kaplan, preparing for the real certification. The industry standard, I should say. So make sure you have Kaplan. Make sure you watch the video that's going to be posted in the news about Kaplan, and that'll show you the process of how to order it and start working on it. Remember, the exact test would be the CompTIA SYO 501 Security Plus certification that we're starting to rehearse for. Other than that, you guys should be well acclimated towards the way the class is working. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once again, I read all of your discussions, even though I might not reply to, or I reply very infrequently, just because there's so many of you that me trying to keep pace. I usually fall behind in reading everybody's stuff, but by today I have it all done. If you want to reach out to me any other way, press the mail icon, the message and alerts. It'll then pop up another way to get a hold of me, pager. If you ever, all day long I'm in D2L, so if you feel like you need to reach out to me there, feel free to reach out to me in D2L through the pager access. You could also call my desk phone. I'm here at 7 a.m. Usually start checking out about 3 p.m. But you can reach me by my desk phone, 970-204-8419, for any questions. And if you are having problems with the labs themselves, make sure to go to the discussion page. And in the lab discussion, I know we started this, keep posting, hey, look, I'm having an issue on this hands-on environment. Or, yeah, I'm having an issue with project 2, project 1-something. Be very explicit, explain yourself well, and probably add a photo just to help other people understand what exactly you're talking about. With that, I'll cut this video short and let you guys loose on this week.